You have a well oiled, prolific striker in Mabasa. Why would he bench him? I mean, the coach will start with Radiopane. Radiopane started games, man, and he hasn't scored. I mean, look at his goal tally for Pirates, for example. I mean, last season he played 12 games and only scored one goal, Radiopane. So the return is not there. I mean, the boy looks very promising. I mean, if you look at his a Disky Challenge tally. I think he's got 24 goals that season for Disky Challenge. And then he went to play for Cape Town Spurs. I mean, he also scored goals there. 7 goals, I think, for Cape Town Spurs when he was that side on loan. Radiopan hasn't really come forth and used these opportunities, guys. Let's be fair. But if you compare him with Makgopa, whom they are almost sort of plays sort of similar styles, even though Radiopan, I would say, in terms of technically, is more gifted than Makgopa. But Makgopa knows how to position himself. He knows how to open spaces for other players. He works hard, man. If you, he brings a different dynamic into the game, and is a different kind of striker. And we have questions now: does Pirates want to play with a striker or not, or is just gonna be um, Makgopa or Radiopan? Because I mean, if you want a striker, you go for Mabasa.